Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix lag on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, knowing how to fix lag on your device ensures optimal performance, enhances user experience, and prolongs the lifespan of your device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first you have to go to the settings menu and then open my phone option. Well, after that select version info, then tap on the build number 7 times to activate developer options on your device. Okay, and then here you can go to the previous page and scroll down. So you have to choose system menu. Okay, and in this page, please select developer options. Next, you can scroll down until you find 3 skill settings: window animation skill, transition animation skill, and animator duration skill. Okay, once you found it, so here you can set to all of skill settings in the off mode. Okay, after finishing, then scroll again until you find background process limit option. Well, after that here you can set it to no background processes. And for the last step, you must activate Ultra Touch feature. Back to the settings page, and then find out display and brightness menu. Tap on it. After that here please scroll down and select Ultra Touch option. Next, set it to ultra fast for all menus here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix lag on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.